Let's take a look at the chart action for Dogecoin. All right, so in my last video, we're looking at this triangle pattern right here. We had a breakout going to the upside right here. I was taking from the top to the bottom of this triangle, dragging it to the breakout. We're looking at a target of around 0.237, and we actually are forming this other pattern right here. It kind of looks like we got this nice run up, and then we got some resistance right here and right here. And then we came down and found support right here and right here. Basically, it looks like we're forming a flag pattern, something like this. So I think if we can, we're forming this trend line right here and on the bottom. And I think now that we're breaking this trend line going to the upside, I think maybe we can target from the top to the bottom of this flag going something like this, and then drag that to the breakout. And maybe we're looking at a target of something around 0.255, somewhere around there approximately. So yeah, Dogecoin is looking really good. It looks like we're breaking out. Let's see if we can get up to 0.255. If we go to the total crypto market cap, we were looking at this falling wedge going something like this. We got a breakout right here. I was saying that we could get some resistance right here, and we're probably going to be targeting up here at like around 1.75, 1.73 trillion. Right now, we're sitting at about 1.569 trillion. And I've been watching this trend line right here. And every time we come into contact with it, we're getting support. So we're bouncing up on it. Let's watch this trend line on the 4-hour or even the daily time frame as well. I guess the 4-hour probably looks better. So yeah, you can see it on the 4-hour pretty good. And once we break to the downside of this, then that'll be a signal that we're getting a reversal. And like I was talking about, this 180 moving average is coming in right here. If we break this going to the downside, maybe this will hold support right here. So yeah, I'm looking at that 180 moving average on the 4-hour time frame. If we go to the daily time frame, we have this 180 moving average coming in right here. And it looks like we're right about to come in and to test it right now. So maybe we'll come into contact with this, retest it a couple times, and then break through it. Or it's possible that we come into contact, test it a few times, and then get rejected and head back to the downside. I'm not really sure. So yeah, I'm still kind of thinking we go up maybe somewhere right here, but it looks like we're getting pretty close into that area, that general area. So let's kind of see what happens. I think if we could break above this 180 moving average though on the total crypto market cap, this is going to be really good for the crypto market in general. So yeah, on Dogecoin, we have this trend line going like this, so we could keep our eyes on that. We'll be able to watch this trend line going like this. Even if we get some sort of swing down, we'll still have this trend line going like this from this support right here and this support right here to keep an eye on to see if we get support on it going to the upside. Once we break that, then that will be a signal that we're changing direction as well. All right, so let's see if we can keep this momentum going to the upside, and let's see if we can get to around 0.255. All right, if you guys like Dogecoin, hit that thumbs up button.